Okay, in this video I am going to show you how you can transfer this key Raghu to open keychain. Now open YAP and then go to keys. Okay, from here there is a triangle like down arrow here against Raghu. Touch it, and now there is a copy icon. If you copy that, public key will be copied. If you and there is a down arrow and up arrow, which is if you touch it, then we can copy private key of Raghu. Okay, now first let us copy public key of Raghu. Okay, so I touch the first icon, copy icon. Now public key of Raghu has been copied. Now let me open open keychain, and here what I am going to do is there are three icons in the top. Touch it. There is three lines in the top left. Okay, top LHS. Touch it and then goes to keys, so you will be here. Now there are three dots in the top RHS. Touch it, manage my keys, and then import key from file. Okay, and then we have already copied it to the clipboard, so let us make a file first. Okay, so first let us open some text editor and then long press, paste it. So our public key, the Raghu, has been copied now into the text editor. Now let us make it as a file. Okay, so save it, give some name. Okay, RAGHU, Raghu public. Okay, save it. Okay, now Raghu public key has been saved as a text file. Similarly, let us save private key also. Now go back to YAP and go to keys, where you can see up arrow and down arrow in the Raghu slide. You touch it, and then there is a line called you can see a line, show me my private key. You touch it. Now private key of Raghu, the YAP shows the private key. Now there is a copy icon on the top RHS. You touch it. Now private key has been copied to clipboard. Now let us go back to text editor. I am using quick edit. You can use anything. Now let me select new, and now long press and then paste. Now private key has been copied, that is Raghu has been copied to quick edit text editor, and let me save it once again as a file. Okay, let me give a name, Raghu, RAGHU PRI. Okay, private key. So save. Okay, both will exist in internal storage now. Yes, Raghu PRI and Raghu PUB. Okay, both exist now. Now let go back to open keychain. Let me explain it from first. Okay, now from there is three lines in the top LHS. Go there and select keys, and then there are three dots on the top RHS. Select that, manage my keys, import a key from file, and then select this folder icon which exists in the top RHS. Okay, and then it takes me to internal storage where that txt file exists. Now just now we have copied Raghu public and Raghu private. So first I select Raghu public key. Okay, Raghu public key txt. I select that. Now it has come to open keychain. Now there is a option called import at the bottom. Touch it. Now you can see Raghu has come to open keychain. This key has been transferred, public key has been transferred to open keychain. Now let us once again import private key also. Okay, so once again touch this three dots in the top RHS, manage my keys, import key from file. Once again touch the folder icon, it takes to internal storage, and scroll down and select raghu.pri.txt. okay, this is the private key. Now touch it, and it shows that secret key Raghu. Okay, and below that there is option import. So this is the private key, so touch import. Now it has come to, so we have completely transferred the key Raghu from YAP to open keychain. Now what I am going to do is, let me type something there. Okay, in YAP, let me go to YAP, and then from contact, now Raghu exists in open keychain also. Okay, here it does not exist in so first let me go and create a contact. Okay, now let me first copy, let me first select this copy icon under the Raghu slide. Okay, then let me first create a contact there. Okay, touch it, touch copy icon, and then select contact. Now touch the plus icon at the bottom. Now we have selected public key once again. Now paste it. Okay, now there is a plus icon at the top RHS, touch it. Okay, now what we have done is, see in the keys it exists both public key and private key. Okay, but in the contact I have created Raghu so that I can write some text. Okay, in order to send. Okay, now there is a second icon, you can see a text, second icon from left. Okay, contact, and then second icon from left, select it. Now select, okay, select key. Okay, now the message is sent by something. Okay, YAP Gajendra Babu, it's okay. So the message is to is the receiver is Raghu here. The message is to Raghu, for Raghu. Okay, and the sender is here YAP Gajendra Babu. Okay, no problem. Let me write something here. Come to, okay, Chennai soon. So this is the message. Now after writing that, there is a lock icon on the top RHS, select it. So what happened is this YAP converted that text into encrypted message, and now I need to copy this encrypted message. So there is a copy icon at the top, you select that. Now message has been copied to clipboard. Now let us open keychain and go there, and then let me decrypt this. Okay, so 3 lines in the top LHS, select that, and then go to encrypt decrypt. Okay, now read from clipboard. Since we used password to create the key Raghu, now it asks me password. So I set sun SUN 1 2 3 4 5 as password while creating Raghu. So now touch unlock. Okay, come to Chennai soon. So the message, actually now the message open keychain can read that message. So what does it mean? It means we have successfully transferred open keys. Okay, we have successfully transferred the key Raghu from YAP to open keychain. Actually you can do the similar thing from open keychain to TesserCube, TESSER CUBE. That is also an application. You can download it from Google Play Store. You can do the similar thing from Open Keychain to TesorCube and TesorCube to Open Keychain. Okay.